Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk around at a very sunny Emerald HQ today on the Fiat Tipo Multijet. Now the Tipo is of course a very outside choice and very popular choice when it comes to a budget friendly, well specified and very low running cost hatchback. Really smart, and of course the Italians, they don't do things badly at all. We'll start off down here. You can see you've got your xenon headlights, LED daytime runners, front fog lights with your black plastic and chrome surround. You've got the almost geometric design on both the grille in chrome and the underneath on the lower half of the grille in black. And we move around, you see you've got washer jets, gloss black alloy wheels which really do set this one aside from its competition, 17-inch. You've got side repeaters, and down on there you've got the extended side skirt, nice belt line to go up to the rear end. You've got chrome on the door handles. You've got body coloured door mirrors with a black plastic surround, chrome on the lower half of the windows, gloss black B pillar and rubbers on the top. You can see you've also got a high level lip spoiler, now tinted privacy glass, but you've got gloss black C pillars. Then you can see moving down you've got reverse camera, you've got the real nice big wide rear end, you've got the rear parking sensors and black plastic bumper system. Now when you open it up with the key, you can see I've got the key here. Click it twice, open the car, click it twice, that'll open up the boot, or it should do. There you go. You can see now we're in. You've got on there loads and loads of room in the back for anything that you're going to need to carry. If you've got pets, you can fold the seats forward. If you've got a mother-in-law that's giving you grief over Christmas dinner, stick her in there, you'll never see her. You've got enough room for pushchairs, buggies, strollers, skateboards, bikes, football, all the kids if you want to have a laugh in there as well with them. You've also got 12-volt chargers in the rear as well. Really impressive, and loads of room. Also underneath you've got your spare wheel and a bit more storage if you need it. And then we go around, you can see from every angle the Tipo with the black alloys really does look quite impressive. It's not a car that is seen very often on Britain's roads, and it's hard to see why really, because not only does it look that good on the exterior, you get all this as standard on the inside as well. And when I say that the Tipo is surprisingly capable of making a big statement, this are the reasons why. You can see you've got the leather on the dashboard, loads of different buttons and options. You've got a leather steering wheel, DAB, nav, reverse camera, you've got electronic lumbar support, and on the seat you've got that gorgeous cloth interior. You've got the line work, the checkered flag almost in circular motion, white stitching. You've got the Alcantara just here as well. You can see the different cloth, manual adjustable. That is of course your electronic lumbar support. Down here you've got your door inlay, and then you've got that gorgeous almost marbled leather effect on there with the chrome handle, electric adjustable mirrors and electric windows as well. In the back you can see you've got that same gorgeous seating, 3 seats, full Isofix, plenty of room. Now getting inside, really nice. You can see the first thing you'll notice from the driver's perspective is visibility, just pure open space and clear visibility. Now to turn it on, put your key in the ignition barrel, turn it a quarter, let the needles initialise, let it sort itself, and then turn it on. You can see it starts first time, no issues, no delay, no lag. What we are going to do is open the windows because I will melt in here. And you can see you've got the black faces, white of course font, and the red needles. You've also got your digital information display in the middle just here, of which you can manually go through different options as well. So if you click on vehicle info, you can go through there. You can see your oil temperature, your tyre pressures, your oil life, your battery charge, and your service, which isn't due for 362 days. Moving up from there, you've got your GSI, which is of course your fuel consumption, miles per gallon, And on there you've got your fuel range and your instant delivery. If you click on vehicle setup, you can of course see on here you've got your display settings, your dimmer, your screen, your mobile phone. You can see your navigation if you want to see your navigation on there. If you go back, you've got security, passenger airbag, speed beep as well. Safety and assistance, you've got your buzzer volume, and again back onto display just there. And if you go across as well, you've got alerts, got navigation off, and of course you've got DAB radio here for your audio source. Really, really smart. Now moving across, you've got auto high beam, you've got your headlight settings, then of course you come here, you have then got your auto wipers and rear wiper as well. Down here you've got your front fog lights, rear fog lights, traction control and TPMS, and on the steering wheel, finished in the gorgeous leather. You can see it's really well equipped. You've got your menu button for your instrument cluster, voice control, Bluetooth telephone, cruise control and limiter as well. The base is concave. You can also see here you've got that black plastic, and here you've got your manual adjustment for your steering rake. Now on there you can see that marble grained effect on the leather, which goes all the way across the centre console into the door. And then we come on to the media system. So you can see on here you've got DAB. If we click on AM or FM, you've got those too. Click on media, you haven't got any inserted at the minute, but you've got Bluetooth, you can see on there, USB and auxiliary. You've got the navigation, which brings up a lovely little unit here, which again is quite surprising. High contrast, high resolution, super simple to use. You can pair your mobile telephone to get talking, and you've got your apps on there. You've got Uconnect, compass, clock, trip, and it also gives you that scorching exterior temperature. On there you've got mute, volume control. Here you've got your settings, display units, doors, locks. You can see you can change your light, twilight sensor, cornering lights on there as well. You've got flash when the lights unlock. You've got so many different things on here that you can really entwine to make it your own. You've got doors and locks, you've got auto close, flashlights, vehicle off options, restore settings as well. And if you go back, you can see you can get back onto the main menu. Moving down, you've got your air vents. Of course, got city mode here, which makes the steering a little bit more nimble for those awkward spaces. When you click the button, you'll see city is illuminated on the dash. You've also got central locking, hazard lights and auto start stop. Now here you've of course got your single zone air conditioning. Temperature is controlled on the left hand dial. You can have aircon on, or you can just use the blower system. You've also got max aircon, heated front screen, heated rear screen, air force distribution using the right dial. You can do auto and recirculation, and here you can choose where the air is distributed into the cabin. Moving down, auxiliary, USB 12 volt charger, and then we have the manual gearbox. Really easy to use this one. You can see reverse in there as well, so simple to use. You've got a little latch, lift it up, push it to the left, push it up, and you're in reverse, you know, because you also have your reverse camera pop up, and you can see you've got your parking sensors in the front as well. That of course is encapsulated in that gorgeous marbled effect leather dual cup holder. You've got your manual handbrake, and of course you've got your lift up little armrest just here with plenty of storage in there as well. So overall, the Tipo is a great choice for those looking for a cost effective, well specified, fully loaded example that can be used day to day and offer great return on fuel economy. And what's also great, probably more so than the Tipo itself, is knowing that it has of course passed with flying colours the 128 point Emerald check. What that means is that this car has been given a thorough cosmetic and mechanical inspection prior to retailing our on-site RAC approved facility. And if you're looking to purchase online from the comfort of your own home and have delivery in 48 hours, well, come down and meet the team that make Emerald so much fun. Then get in touch. We can offer you APR and your finance as low as 7.9%, subject to terms of approval. But for me, I'm going to sign off by saying we really hope you've enjoyed the video, but we hope to see you soon. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.